Of all the insect societies, ants are the most organized. They have wars, they enslave each other, they even keep livestock. Caterpillars, bugs, any insects that secrete sweet honeydew are farmed like domestic animals. Ants have a sweet tooth too. Any other intruders are just massacred for food. This particular kind of ant herds the caterpillars of the Genevieve blue butterfly in Australia. The ants nest in cracks at the base of trees. The caterpillars eat mistletoe growing at the top of the trees. Every night, the ants herd the caterpillars up the trunk to let them feed. And then the ants milk the caterpillars of their secretions. It's like an insect dairy farm. At dawn, the ants drive the caterpillars back down the tree and into the nest. These caterpillars are completely dependent on their farmers. The only life they know is the company of ants. Protected, nurtured, they even turn into pupae still inside the ant's nest. Though the butterfly doesn't provide honeydew, it's tolerated by the ants. It's escorted by a farewell party and sent on its way to ensure another generation of caterpillars. While some ants manage livestock, others farm crops. Leafcutter ants have developed their own elegant agricultural system. Their underground colonies are huge, up to 8 million individuals, organized like an assembly line. The biggest workers harvest leaves. There are so many of them they can strip a tree in one night. A smaller caste licks the leaves clean and chews them up. But this paste is not yet food. It's used to grow a crop, a fungus that's only found inside these nests. And it's the only food the ants ever need. The job of tending and planting the fungus in their gardens is carried out by an even smaller caste. Leafcutter ants are probably the most sophisticated social insects of them all. A huge metropolis based on division of labor, where an individual means nothing. Each ant is a tiny component in the machinery of the colony, working together like clockwork. A network of living, communicating robots that acts like a single organism. Humans may consider agriculture their greatest achievement, the springboard to civilization. But ants have been farmers for millions of years. And for every single human on the planet, there are at least 1 million ants.